How to recover deleted my eyes only pictures on Snapchat. Now, the very first thing that you want to do is access your Snapchat account and make sure that you're fully logged into your account. What you want to do next is locate your user profile or your avatar located at the top left portion of your screen. Once you tap on that, you will now then be redirected to this page. What you want to do from here is head over to this gear icon, which is going to be the settings, and then scroll down till you find the Help Center. This is usually located below support and feedback. So tap on Help Center, scroll down again till you find this option that says need to get in touch. Select contact us. Now next is choose on I want or I need help with a Snapchat feature. Scroll down once again and choose memories. I'll choose yes and choose on using my eyes only. Now in here, this is gonna be the next page in which you'll have to fill out necessary informations why you need recovering your deleted photos or the videos that you have for your eyes only. So that's it. That's how you recover deleted my eyes only pictures on Snapchat.